TikTok, the #1 video sharing social network in the world right now, with 800 million active users including creators such as Zach King, Charli D'Amelio, and even The Frickin' Rock. It's nearly impossible to avoid, with the charts filled with music from the viral dances and challenges taking over our living rooms. With such influence on culture right now, there must be a way of making money off it, right? So most of these methods are using the app itself. Now I'm going to be honest with you, there is no easy way to get money off TikTok, but if you build up a following, then it's more than achievable. Right, number one is donations. If you manage to get 1,000 followers and are above the age of 16, then you can do live videos. And remember, 800 million people use the app, so it shouldn't take too long to build up a small following if you post creative videos. The live videos come with a feature allowing followers to donate coins to you. Obviously, if you have a good core fan base with good quality content, then people will donate. I wouldn't recommend this as a solid income stream, but you can get some extra money. Creators across social media such as Twitch earn thousands a month from donations, so why wouldn't it work on TikTok? So there are two ways at looking at influencer campaigns, either as an influencer or being the middleman. As an influencer, you can get brand deals from companies who will pay you to promote the brand, service, or product. Reports of deals have been in the tens of thousands for a simple post. The business model is the same for YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and even Facebook. It doesn't always depend on the size of your following, as you may provide something unique to a company even when you have a small niche fan base. If you don't want to create content, then you could be the middleman between the creator and the brand. From creating the agreement, managing both parties, making sure the deliverables are all met, just being a coordinator, you can charge a service fee to manage campaigns like that. TikTok accounts can explode in popularity, with most creators being young, with very little experience in marketing themselves. If you have any skills that you can provide, offer them up while getting a commission. They can be from managing the account to consulting on the million-view video or latest trends. Proof of your worth through a creator can create paid work and solid income. So this is again using the app itself. Basically, it's building up a following on an account, then selling it on to a person or a company of interest. That can be someone who wants your audience or even someone who wants the name on the account. They would purchase the account and then own it with full control. Now, the following size will decide the price, and this is very similar to selling Instagram accounts or even selling website domain addresses. You can see here one that is on an eBay-like website going for 80,000 and has 4.1 million followers with videos ranging in views. To do this, I would recommend having multiple accounts and build them up together. Otherwise, this wouldn't be a way of making a constant income. You could always try buying an established account too and build that up. There's no direct way to monetize content on TikTok, but on YouTube you can. Build up the following, then bring your audience over to YouTube. It seems that there is a huge popularity in TikTok right now, but there's no proof it will stick around for long, and a sensible move would be to build an audience on a more established platform. A good example of this is Charli D'Amelio. She has 66.8 million followers on TikTok and 5.1 on YouTube, when she only has 6 videos. With that YouTube following, she can now monetize from Google Ads and influencer deals. Another way to make money off TikToks with YouTube are compilations. Here is a video that has 26 million views, and if we do a quick calculation of views divided by 1,000 times $1 CPM of 1.5, that's $39,000. That's a very rough estimate, but the fact that this is one of the videos and there are millions on this channel means you could earn quite a lot from doing this. The only thing you need to consider is copyright of the music, so pick videos without or use copyright free and edit it in. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, considering liking the video, and I'll have more videos coming up soon. Don't know when yet. I need to plan that out. Yes.